everyone, it's Neko, and this is my course. And in this course, we're going to talk about how to create original characters. So in this course, we're going to cover all the basic needs you will need to create your own original character. We're going to talk about hair, we're going to talk about eye colors, we're going to talk about different outfits or aesthetics your character may have. Who is your character? What kind of life do they have? Do they have any familiars or pets? Are they good or bad? Where are they going with the future? Do they have a family? Are they building a family? There's so many different aspects to making a character. So we're going to touch on all those aspects in this course. In this course, we will also be making character reference sheets of your character that we're going to create together. And then we're also going to discuss the future of your character. How do you want to use your character? Is your character just for personal use in your sketchbook? That's totally fine. Or if you want to share your character with the world, do you have any anticipation on putting your character into a comic or a manga? Or do you want to turn your character into an animation? Do you want to sell your characters, the original characters you make? There's so many different things that goes into characters and character creation, and we're going to touch on all those topics. I'm assuming you guys are as excited about character creation as I am. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here. So let's get right on into how to make a character.